Okay, so this is our entrance door. And over there is kids area in the daytime, but I'm thinking that Friday night court will be there. Or Friday night court will be here. This will also be the volunteer, one of these tables will be like the volunteer table and will actually be a station for our shapeshifters and stuff. That's the restaurant. This is one of the entrances to Warfields. There is a secret way through the hotel for wheelchairs. It shouldn't be secret, but that's the way it is. There are more tables and stuff out here, like just hangout spaces. And then this is the Warfields entrance for, like straight into the dance room. And that's where the disco will be. And over here is where workshops will be. This is all level. Up there, you have to get that secret way if you're in a wheelchair. Otherwise, there's stairs in. Back here, this is the only totally inaccessible space to wheelchairs. It's really tiny. But I'm thinking that unsealing court will be here. Kate and I just met. And some storage will be there. And this room at Saturday night, when there is no disco, this will be, and there are no workshops, Saturday night, this area of Warfields will be the finale of her LARP.